Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Let's start today's video. How are you feeling? I'm alright. Do you like your studies? Yeah, I really like it. What's your profession? I am a student. What time is it? It's 6:45. Where do you play? I play in playground. Does she speak English? Yes, she does. Where do you live? I live in England. How old are you? I am 32. What do you do every day? I play with my friends. What are you doing? We are studying. Where are you going? I am going to the store. Is he still here? No, he has gone. Can you hear me? Yes, I can hear you. What are you doing? I am writing something. Subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.